What about the idea dinosaurs evolved into birds?
Did dinosaurs really evolve into birds? While there may have been many textbook and media pictures of feathered dinosaurs, none have actually been found. None have actually been found. They're all simply made-up pictures of what evolutionists want to find, not what they have really found. Now, the most famous example is the fossil of Archaeopteryx. It is claimed to be a transition between a reptile, meaning a dinosaur, and a bird. Now, why do they make this claim? Well, two of their main evidences are this. One, it had feathers, and second, Archaeopteryx had teeth. But the fact is, first of all, we need to understand that only birds have feathers. No other creature in this world has feathers but birds. Now, true, Archaeopteryx did have teeth, but other extinct birds have been found in the fossil record with teeth that are still 100% birds. So why would Archaeopteryx be an intermediate form when we already have birds with teeth? Also, Archaeopteryx, the teeth on that creature, that bird, differed distinctly from those of reptiles. Now, Archaeopteryx did have claws on its wings, but so does the ostrich. And nobody considers the ostrich part reptile, nor is it evolving to anything. Now, a major problem for evolution is the origin of flight. How did flight get started? Now, a recent report in Discover magazine attempted to describe how flight evolved. But when you read the article, you find words like this: theorized, suggested, might have, may have, could have, no one knows for sure, and then alternative scenarios. These are what are known as fuzzy words. This is a clear indication they don't have the evidence because they can't provide it, so they use these fuzzy words like we believe, we think, might have, or my opinion is. That, again, is clear evidence they don't have the real fossil evidence to support what they're claiming. Now, the model the evolutionists use today to get how reptiles or dinosaurs evolved into birds is called the tree-down model. The tree-down model. Now, one of the things we have to understand, the tree-down model, what they're really saying is this: that some of these small dinosaurs, small reptiles, climbed up into the trees, jumped off the branches, flapped their forearms, and over time, they turned into feathers and wings. Now, there's some major problems with this, folks. First of all, in order to fly, you do need feathers. You also need light bones. But birds don't just have feathers. They have primary feathers and secondary feathers, and it's the secondary feathers that give them the lift. Now think of it. If this was going to happen, if reptiles really did climb up into trees, jump off these branches, and flap their wings, or flap their forearms and became wings, if that was true, we should find trees out there, ancient tree fossils, with piles of bones underneath them for all the ones that didn't make it. And folks, if you flap your arms today and every day the rest of your life, your arms will not grow feathers and they won't turn around and let you fly.